Back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to autosave your project on DaVinci Resolve 16. Really easy and simple to do, so it doesn't matter what your timeline or anything looks like on your screen. All you have to do at any point is just go up to the DaVinci Resolve tab up in the top left corner, click on that, and just click on Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, you can just go over to the User tab on the right here, click on that, and then you see an option for Project Save and Load, so you want to click on that there. And then it gives you a bunch of different options like Live Save, Project Backups. If you click on Project Backups, you'll notice that you do have options to change the backups, so you can get it to perform every 10 minutes, hourly backups or daily backups, whatever you prefer. And then you could also put your backup location as well, like I have set up here. But yeah, so there's lots of different options on how to save your backups. I hope I helped you by showing you guys how to find this. If it did help, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.